Here we will again discuss chapter 1, nature and significance of management, and under that we will discuss the levels of management. This is a very simple topic because there are only three basic levels of any management to function. Look at the triangle here. This is known as the management hierarchical chart, and it clearly shows that we have three basic levels of management. One is the top level, middle level, and lower or operational level. These are the three basic levels, but we need to know what each level does. So what are the functions of each level, and different organizations call these different levels by different names. So we need to know what are their different names. The first one is the senior most executives, that is the top level. So here we will discuss the functions and the designations of the top level. Top level managers are generally known as chairman, CEO, that is chief executive officer, president, vice president, etc. And they have the following functions. First of all, they do coordination. That means they coordinate the different departments, they coordinate all the resources, and they see that the goal of the organization is achieved properly. They are responsible for developing strategies so that the organization survives in the market. So survival of the organization is their responsibility. They formulate policies so that there is smooth running of the business inside the organization. That means when we look at all these three functions, we can clearly understand that top levels work is more mental than physical. So these are people who continuously keep on doing more of brain work rather than physical labor, but the whole organization is running on their decisions. This is the top level management. Now we move on to the next level, which is the middle level management. So what are their designations? Their designations are like division heads, operation manager, plant superintendent, etc. Different names are given in different organizations. I have cited a few examples. What are their functions? They are a link between the top and the lower level management. This is their main function. They act as a link between the top level and the operational level, and these, as they are the link, so they interpret the policies. That means whatever policies are made by the top level management, these policies they interpret or they explain the policies to the lower level management. Check sufficiency of personnel. They are also required to check whether this at the operational level there is enough number of managers or not, whether they are doing their work properly or not. They will also assign duties to these people. So they will see that the lower level management have proper work, they are doing according to their skill, and they are doing the work properly or not. Then they will motivate the managers and the workers also. From time to time they will create motivation among the managers at the lower level, and they will also motivate the workers if required. They will try to make everyone cooperate with each other and work together even if they are in different departments. So these are the various functions of middle level. These are very important for the organization to be performed in very quality way. If these functions are performed very nicely, then only the organization can run smoothly. Now next we go to the lower level management. So the designations for lower level management are like foremen or supervisors. Now these people, they are responsible for a particular department or particular group working together. What are their functions? They are directly connected with the workers, so definitely they handle the workers directly. As they handle the workers directly, definitely they can determine the quality of the output. They can find out what quality of output will be there. They can determine the quantity of the output. They can find out how much will be produced, who will do the production, who works properly, who doesn't work properly. All these things they are going to check. They will also check the safety standards of the organization, and this is the most important function of the operational level workers, because checking the safety standards of the people who are working, their safety is the priority of the organization. So the operational level management checks the safety standards of the people who are working in the organization. So these are the various functions of all the three levels. I hope you have understood the functions. If you have understood the functions and if you have understood this particular topic, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get all the videos which are uploaded uploaded in the channel.